When you think of cooking at home, what comes to mind? Comfort? Safety? Maybe even the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's on your plate. We've been told for years that cooking at home is healthier, safer, and better for our wallets. But what if I told you that every time you fire up your stove, you could actually be putting yourself, and your family, at risk? This isn't a myth. It's a reality most people don't even know exists. Let's start with the food itself. Do you know the #1 cause of foodborne illnesses? It's not undercooked takeout or that questionable diner burger. It's improperly handled food in home kitchens. From leaving meat out at unsafe temperatures to using the same sponge for a week straight, our kitchens are often a breeding ground for bacteria. Cross-contamination, undercooking, and improperly storing leftovers are mistakes we make more often than we'd like to admit. And it's not just bacteria, there's also the issue of hidden toxins. Reheating leftovers in plastic containers? That can release harmful chemicals like BPA into your food. Cooking acidic dishes in old, scratched non-stick pans? You could be ingesting tiny particles of Teflon without even knowing it. But that's not even the most shocking part. Let's talk about the air you breathe while cooking. Did you know that your gas stove or even your favorite frying technique could be turning your kitchen into a mini pollution zone? Cooking releases fine particles and harmful chemicals like nitrogen dioxide and carbon monoxide into the air, especially if your kitchen isn't well ventilated. Studies have found that indoor air pollution from cooking can rival the smog levels of a congested city street. Now, compare this to eating out. Sure, restaurants have their own risks, but they're also regulated by food safety laws that require regular inspections. Their equipment is industrial grade, their staff is trained, and their ventilation systems are designed to keep harmful particles at bay. And let's not ignore the mental toll of home cooking. Planning meals, shopping for ingredients, cleaning up afterward, it's a time-consuming and stressful process for many people. That stress can lead to rushed cooking, overlooked safety practices, and ultimately, greater risks. So, is eating out really safer than cooking at home? It's not a simple yes or no, it depends on how you cook, where you eat, and what precautions you take. But here's the real takeaway: the kitchen isn't as safe as we've been led to believe. The good news? You can take steps to protect yourself. Invest in a good meat thermometer, improve ventilation in your kitchen, use safer cookware, and avoid risky habits like reheating in plastic. And sometimes, letting the professionals handle your meal isn't just a time saver, it could actually be a safer choice. So, the next time someone tells you that home cooking is always better, you'll know the truth. It's not about choosing one over the other, it's about understanding the risks and making smarter choices, whether you're in your kitchen or at your favorite restaurant.